Welcome to this video on grammar learning. Hello everyone! Today, we are going to learn about articles. Articles are small words, a, an, and the, that are used before nouns to define whether the noun is specific or general. Types of articles. Articles can be classified as indefinite articles, a, an, and definite article, the. Indefinite articles are used when referring to a general or non-specific noun. A is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. An is used before words that begin with a vowel sound, that is, A, E, I, O, and U. A dog is barking. Any dog, not a specific one. She saw a doctor. Any doctor, not a specific one. I ate an apple. Any apple, not a specific one. He has an umbrella. Any umbrella, not a specific one. Definite article, the, is used when referring to a specific noun that is known to the speaker and listener. The sun rises in the east. There's only one sun. I saw the doctor yesterday. A specific doctor both speaker and listener know. Please open the door. A specific door known to both people. He read the book I gave him. A particular book already mentioned before. Now let's see the usage rules for articles. The first rule is that you should use a or an based on sound, not just spelling. I repeat, based on sound and not just spelling. An hour, silent hey, vowel sound. A university, U sounds like you, a consonant sound. An MP3 player, M sounds like M, a vowel sound. A European country, U sounds like U, a consonant sound. An honest man. A 1 rupee coin. The second rule is to use the with unique things. Use the for unique or well-known things. The moon. The earth. The sky. The internet. Third rule is to use the with superlatives. He is the best player in the team. This is the most beautiful painting. Do not use article for general plural and uncountable nouns. I like apples, not the apples, unless referring to specific ones. She drinks water, not the water, unless referring to specific water. Take a moment to read through the table that summarizes all the tenses. Until we meet again, take care and thank you.